Today we'll draw axonometric. This is a floor plan. I'll just fix on the table. Just make sure actually this drawing is parallel to and drawing board. The axonometric is actually is quite simple. Basically, you're extruding whole floor plane and certain angles. So I prepared actually this drawing on tracing paper. Basically, you'll just extrude one directions. Okay, so I found actually this is probably easiest way. It looks a lot of line makes it very complicated, but however, if you can see it actually and the result very quickly as well. So once you have another piece of paper on the top, let's make a certain angles. So let's say I'll make actually my adjustable set square 30 and 60 degree. I quite like actually 30 and 60 degree. You can do a 45. You can do it too. Okay, and if you do 30 and 60, then I can nicely fit into actually A3 size paper. So I'm using 30 and 60 degree. If you don't have like this set square, then you can use actually just normal set square 30 and 60 degree. So that's also you can use it too. Okay, let's start. So fix on your floor plans on the table, and also you have another tracing paper. This is probably your original drawings. So I will mark on the corner. I'll draw the one line. Let's see more closely whether you can see it. So let's zoom in. So you will see actually this 30 degree, okay, and the other is 60 degree. When you make it high, so when you're extruding this floor plan, when you make actually axonometric, we draw from the floor to only ceiling height. I think I measured actually last time about 2.6 meters high. So what I'm using actually, we'll draw 1 to 50 scale. So I turn it to my scale ruler. So 2.6, I'll just point there. Okay. So then I will just mark the actual on the drawing here. Then I will see how much I can move my drawing. Okay. So you'll see actually a bit more. Okay. Then your floor plan on the top, and then find out this corner, the whole corner there, and then a place on the top of the actually you drawn 2.6 meters. So make sure actually a parallel to what you drawn, the horizontal and vertical line. Okay, I think that's good. And what we do, I will just fix on the table too. Okay, done. Yeah. Okay, once you're done, I probably need one more. Once you're done, it's almost like all the drawing is already already extruded. Okay, so the next step is actually, so basically you connect all the point to point. Okay, but in our task actually we mentioned about wall, this outside wall, gray tone, outside wall. So that outside wall um, uh, we don't draw, because otherwise this is extruded, we can't see inside. So we don't draw actually outside wall, we only draw the inside. Just imagine there is no wall and outside. So it's a lot more information there, but that makes actually very interesting exercise. Okay, next. It's good to have one A4 white actually A4 size paper. It will be really useful to have. And then you have another tracing paper. This is where you're drawing at the, on the top of the actually your two drawings. So I'll carefully actually place over. So I can see it can fit into A3 paper nicely. So let's have a look. That's good. Okay, the space is there on the top. I can move a little bit higher. So make sure this drawing also, you know, the parallel to actually your ruler. Okay, then I'll fix the drawing on the paper. Okay, so once you you prepared all the drawing, let's will draw. Obviously, that's many lines. It looks very complicated. There's so many lines overlapping. But if we just focus on one by one, so I will show you actually how to draw maybe entry area first, then we'll carry on. Okay, so then we'll understand. Obviously, it's already a point where we'll just connect them. So let's have a look. This entry, you know, when you open the door, there are a couple of steps down. And couple of steps down, and then a little step up, and then going another step is up. So also this information, this dimension is come from actually the section drawings. So from the section you measure them, how high is actually the step will be happening. So how high is actually another step from there. So we'll check it. So what I do actually, we'll just draw this corner first. So first thing is actually we already got all the information is there. So I'm just here a trace over there on the top plan. Then once you have a top plan, I'll just copy on the tracing paper, so you'll see what will happen. So now see actually I'll copy on the tracing paper there. So next step, you'll see actually the line behind, you know, underneath. Okay, so basically you connect them 30 degree. So that point, this corner is there. So when you're using tracing paper, it's quite easy to see. Okay, basically you connect the line. Okay, I'm just connecting the line. Okay, so that's what it looks like here. Okay, one more line there. Okay, so this is another line below. So let's have a look here. So this is what it looks like here. Okay, so we'll just extrude them. Obviously, that's a lot of little things, but this is a full height actually a extrusions, axonometric. But what will happen